Vegeta's new form is insane. God of Destruction, Vegeta revealed. I just got done watching, you know what I'm saying, CJ the Chomp, I think that's his name, last video reaction, and I sees this, you know, and obviously it's a spoiler. I want to see what I want to see what he talking about, cause you know me and Vegeta, I don't want to say we don't get along, but it's complicated. You know what I'm saying? They name him this, they say he's Prince of this, but he's not no. At this point, he should be a king, but he's not. So maybe the manga says something different. I don't know how this video gonna do. I don't know how this video gonna do, but it don't even matter about that. I want to see what's going on.
Alright, so yet again, we have another very exciting chapter.
This is not my video. His information is right here. Fair use, you know. Plot armor, this is your video. I'm just reacting to it, giving my opinion. You know what I'm saying? This is my video. Let's see what you're talking about.
Dragon Ball Super. This current arc just keeps getting better and better, and I think that if you love what makes Dragon Ball, especially the fights, you will no doubt enjoy what we are being provided.
Is this canon? Who is these? Is this canon? We not watching the whole video. I'm just finna skim through, you know, see what's going on.
We had the rest of Goku's fight with Granola. Beginning with a Super Saiyan Blue Goku on the attack, Granola would transition us to a more wooded area for the sake of getting the upper hand here. A tactic that only worked for so long as the ferocity of Goku was too great. And when that wasn't enough, he would use Super Saiyan Blue in tandem with Ultra Instinct.
Wait, what? Yo, let me not. Super Saiyan Blue in tandem? What did you just say? With Ultra Instinct? Yo, I'm finna end the video. Yo, y'all tripping. I can't be hearing all this manga stuff like I go crazy. Let me find out I gotta read manga.
That he was suddenly avoiding all of Granola's attacks, and Granola would then bring about the destruction of the very earth beneath Goku's feet. As in his desperation, Goku would use instant transmission to relocate to Vegeta's position.
I don't want to see the whole, you know.
As he had only done so with Goku for the sake of conserving his strength to go at his defenses, which would then be followed by a kick and then a fortified strike. By the blow he had previously sustained. Now looking around for Granola's location, he would see the two fighting overhead. They were going back and forth, and it was clear that Granola was clear as day to a veteran like Vegeta that Granola was not yet used to this power. And furthermore, that is what he loves most about it. A proclamation that infuriated Granola as he would wonder, Battle Junkie Saiyan pumping. So much so that despite all that high and mighty greater than thou talk, Granola instinctually jumped back in fear. The energy Vegeta began to exude was not only immense, but abnormal. The power that began to swirl around him was so enormous and so pressuring that Granola was swung backwards. And Goku would sense a change in Vegeta's ki as well. It felt like God ki, yes, but not just Super Saiyan God or Super Saiyan Blue. This was something different. Now on his back, Granola was in dismay observing this shifting chaos before him. And he would fire off several shots at it to no avail. He was clearly terrified, as just then emerging from this spiraling power, it was Vegeta. His hair was different. His eyes were...
Why y'all keep taking my boy eyebrows away? Why y'all keep doing that to him? His Super Saiyan 3, is this supposed to make up for Super Saiyan 3? Why y'all keep taking his eyebrows away? You know what I'm saying? That's tough.
Different. His eyebrows were gone, similarly to Super Saiyan 3, and he looked absolutely famished. Now in a sort of primal stance, he would let it be known that a god of destruction, Beerus, taught him
that do fit,
that
I guess, god of
power
destruction
stemming from
type.
Instinct alone is unbound, and that was the chapter. Oh my goodness, Vegeta fans, rejoice. We have a new transformation that is all his own. Over the final blow to his form of this, he will, for at least this specific moment, be the strongest mortal in Universe 7.
How do you feel about that? Your whole life, Goku been stronger than everybody you ever can think of. You know what I'm saying? Even with the villain, Goku found a way to, you know what I'm saying? Goku found a way to drop him off. How you feel about Vegeta being the strongest one in the universe? Well, in the on in their world. We're not talking about the gods. How you feel about those? I don't know. You know, so I feel like my childhood memories being flipped and played with. But hey, if this is true, because I don't know, some of this manga stuff be, you know what I'm saying. Shouts out to Vegeta. You know what I'm saying. We gotta look at his past and some more. You know what I'm saying. I don't really rock with Vegeta like that. Y'all be, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about Vegeta, bro. But that's gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to see, you know, what was going on here. My boy got a new form. Took his eyebrows away. He better be lit. When I use you on the game, you better not be bulky and stiff. You know,